Hi guys, welcome to a new video again on the channel. This video is the video about the brake booster that is repaired, and I will show you some brake tests to prove it. But in the meantime, I can show you here in the mark that the blind spot assistant still doesn't work, and as you can see, oh, now it is gone. I will start up again, see if it comes up. Here it is again. The error of blind spot assistant doesn't function. So I went to the dealership, and they did some work on it, and they did a drive of 30 kilometers on the autobahn, and they told me your car is fixed, come to get it. It cost me 168 euros, and I put the key in the contact, turned it on, and the error came up again. So I put a link to the video, the first video about this problem. So now we are going to the video about the brake tests on the Corvette. Stay tuned for that, guys. So the seat is out again. Corvette is placed in front here in the garage to work on. The booster is back on place, but I have to put on the bolts inside under the dash. I have to still do that. And then when that is done, we can put the master cylinder of the brakes back on the booster, and then we can test the brakes, and when the brakes are okay, we can paint these things again like new. That's what we are going to do now. First of all, screws under the dash and fasten it, and hook up the fork on the brake pedal again. So that's a difficult job. So the booster is bolted on now. So I have to put it on the dollies every year to turn the back of the Corvette to the garage door, so I can drive it outside. And now I'm going to lift it and take the dollies off from under it, and then I'm going to do a test drive here and test the brakes. So that's what we are going to do now. So take them out here. And that is one. And that is two. So now let it down and go to take a test drive. going to do some brake tests now. There's no hissing sound anymore, and the brakes work excellent so far. while fixing the booster, the position of the brake pedal did change a little bit. So the pin of the light, of the backlights of the brake lights, should be pushed in when the brake pedal is in rest, and when the brake pedal is pushed in, that little pin should come out. So what we have to do now is to unscrew those two screws and change the position of that little pin, and that will fix the problem. Just to be completely sure, I pushed that pin 3 times in, just to see if the brake lights would go out and on 3 times, and then I was sure that that was the problem. After fixing that problem, the brake lights work like they should work. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, please do the same. Consider subscribing, it would help me a lot on the channel. And find us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Hit the notification bell so that you will always get a message when there's a new video coming, so you won't miss out on any new videos, because there's a lot of new content coming your way, guys. So stay tuned, and thank you again for watching, and see you in the next one.